Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to say vegetable names in English. Carrots, carrots. I love adding carrots to my soup. I love adding carrots to my soup. Broccoli, broccoli. I need to cut the broccoli into smaller pieces. I need to cut the broccoli into smaller pieces. Potatoes, potatoes. Are you making mashed potatoes for dinner? Are you making mashed potatoes for dinner? Spinach, spinach. I use spinach in my salad. I use spinach in my salad. Bell peppers, bell peppers. Stuffed bell peppers are my family's favorite. Stuffed bell peppers are my family's favorite. Cucumbers, cucumbers. I need to buy cucumbers. I need to buy cucumbers. Onions, onions. I don't like cutting onions. I don't like cutting onions. Garlic, garlic. I love to cook my vegetables with garlic. I love to cook my vegetables with garlic. Zucchini, zucchini. Zucchini bread is a favorite treat of mine. Zucchini bread is a favorite treat of mine. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Cauliflower pizza crust is so good. Cauliflower pizza crust is so good. Green beans, green beans. I'm going to have green beans as my side dish. I'm going to have green beans as my side dish. Lettuce, lettuce. Do you have lettuce for the salad? Do you have lettuce for the salad? Peas, peas. My kids love peas with butter. My kids love peas with butter. Eggplant, eggplant. I am making eggplant parmesan. I am making eggplant parmesan. Cabbage, cabbage. I need cabbage for the soup. I need cabbage for the soup. Corn, corn. I like corn on the cob. I like corn on the cob. Celery, celery. I need to cut up some celery. I need to cut up some celery. Mushrooms, mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms. Asparagus, asparagus. I need to wash the asparagus. I need to wash the asparagus. Kale, kale. Do you put kale in your soup? Do you put kale in your soup? Sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. Sweet potato fries are very good. Sweet potato fries are very good. Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts. Do you like Brussels sprouts. Do you like Brussels sprouts? Artichokes. Artichokes. I never had an artichoke. I never had an artichoke. Leeks. Leeks. Leeks are great in soups. Leeks are great in soups. Arugula. Arugula. I'm making an arugula salad. I'm making an arugula salad. Thanks for watching. To learn more English vocabulary, watch this video right here.